This is a quick unboxing of the Belkin USB-A to USB-C cable. This cost £15 at John Lewis in Oxford Street, and this is 2 meters long and is compatible with Apple, Samsung, Google, Huawei, LG and Xiaomi phones. It says that it has a durability test of 10,000 bands and says that you can charge devices securely with an up to 12-watt charger. And as you can see here, there's a double braided nylon for enhanced strength and durability. So let's open the box. So the outside is a cardboard box, but inside is a plastic enclosure, so I don't know if this was necessary, but anyway, this is how it looks like. And as I said earlier, this is a 2-meter cable and it's nylon braided, so it should last longer than your standard polycarbonate cable, and it also seems thicker than the usual USB-C cable to charge your phone. And I think it's also heavier. It weighs slightly heavier than a standard cable. And you can see it has the Belkin logo over here and also one over there without the writing. And from first impression it looks quite durable, and hope it will last for a couple of months at least, if not years. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.